plan. If you are a Tesla owner, you know how crucial it is to keep your car in top condition, including taking care of your tires. Tesla offers a tire protection plan that can give you peace of mind. With this plan, you can protect your tires from common road hazards like nails, glass, and potholes. This means if you encounter any damage to your tires, Tesla will repair or replace them at no extra cost. This is a huge relief, especially considering the cost of Tesla tires. And today, unfortunately, I had an incident in the morning. I hit a pothole, and then I had some nails on my tire, and luckily I was able to reach home safely. Then I called the Tesla roadside assistance, and I was planning to call a tow truck to take my car to the dealership, but thankfully they dispatch a mobile service team, and they have everything included on their truck, I believe. So I will show some video on my blog. Also, the price is awesome right now. Like you can buy individual tire from them, and then they are also offering a new Tesla owner purchasing the car within last 14 days, or if you purchase now, you have 14 days from take delivery your car to sign up for those protection plan. It's really new to Tesla owners. It just started probably like a week ago. So I advise all new Tesla owner who purchased the car recently or plan to purchase, get this plan. It will save you a lot of money later, driving. So the plan they have from Model 3, I believe, is $35. Model Y is 55, and then Model X is around, I believe, $90. I will mention the chart in my video so you guys can take a look yourself. Um, and the good thing about this is you don't need to purchase all four tire protection. You can choose one tire at a time, and that's also save you some money. Sometimes it's only go flat one tire or two tire, not all of them. So that's a good marketing for them. So another great thing about the Tesla tire production plan is that it covers the cost of labor and taxes for any tire repair or replacement. So you won't have to worry about unexpected expenses if something happens to your tires. Plus, the plan is fully transferable. So if you decide to sell your Tesla, the new owner can still benefit from the remaining coverage. Overall, the Tesla tire protection plan is a smart investment to keep your Tesla running smoothly and to avoid unexpected cost. If you are a Tesla owner, I highly recommend looking into this plan to protect your investment and ensure a worry-free driving experience. If you have any comments or any suggestion, please mention on the comments below. Also, if you like my video, please subscribe and click the like button. Hopefully, I will put more information on my future videos. You have a great weekend.